Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best electric bikes for adventure and commute. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 21-speed aluminum alloy mountain electric bike. This mountain bike features a 21-speed transmission system, perfect for tackling steep inclines and diverse terrains. With its 26-inch double-disc brake system and 3 knives aluminum alloy design, this e-bike offers strength, stability, and excellent stopping power. The advantages of this electric bike are 21-speed gears for various terrains, double-disc brakes for enhanced safety, durable aluminum alloy frame. The disadvantages of this electric bike are heavier compared to single-speed models, requires frequent maintenance due to gear system. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. OEM 14-inch folding electric bicycle 350W48VA compact and foldable 14-inch bike designed for convenience and ease of use. With a 350W motor and a 48V lithium battery, it's a perfect fit for city rides or as a designated driver's bike. Its sleek black design makes it both practical and stylish. The advantages of this electric bike are lightweight and foldable for easy transport, stylish black design, 350W motor provides sufficient power for city commutes. The disadvantages of this electric bike are small 14-inch wheels may struggle on rough surfaces, limited range compared to larger bikes. At number 3. Coswheel CT20S 2000W fat tire electric bike. An aggressive 20-inch fat tire bike built for off-road adventures. Equipped with a 2000W motor and a 60V 27.5Ah battery, this bike ensures a high-performance ride, even in rugged conditions. Perfect for adults looking for power and durability. The advantages of this electric bike are high-powered 2000W motor, durable fat tires for rough terrain, large battery capacity for extended use. The disadvantages of this electric bike are bulky size may be difficult to store, price is on the higher side. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Mini 3-wheel folding electric bike 24V 300WA compact and minimalist mini electric bike featuring a 3-wheel design for better balance. Powered by a 24V 300W motor, this foldable e-bike is great for urban commutes or quick errands. It's made of durable aluminum alloy and offers a simple yet functional ride for adults. The advantages of this electric bike are compact and foldable design, better stability with 3-wheel setup, lightweight aluminum alloy frame. The disadvantages of this electric bike are limited power with 300W motor, lower speed compared to traditional bikes. At number 1. CPWA 120-inch folding off-road bike 1000W. A powerful 1000W off-road electric bike with 20-inch snow fat tires. This bike is perfect for rough terrains. It features a 48V 20Ah battery, making it suitable for long rides in challenging conditions. The bike is foldable for easy storage, making it ideal for adventure seekers. The advantages of this bike are powerful 1000W motor for tough terrains, foldable design for portability, high-capacity battery for extended rides. The disadvantages of this bike are heavier due to fat tires, expensive compared to regular bikes,